Check this out, something different today. Not a drone, got an RC car. Whenever I have an opportunity to get one of these things in my hands, I jump on it because they're always a lot of fun, and my son loves driving it. So this is the Tenssenx 1/18 scale RC car. It's got a brushed motor, some pretty knobby tires, and a decent travel on the suspension. It's 4-wheel drive. Now this is one of the better selling cars currently on Amazon. Is it right for you? Stay tuned. We'll dive into it. All right, so let's talk a little bit about what we have here. So like I said, this is a 1/18 scale RC car, and we've got 4-wheel drive. We've got some pretty decent knobby tires, and they make a point of metal drive shafts, which does look accurate. Now we've got a brush motor on the inside. It's a 380 brush motor with a giant heat sink on there, so that's going to help with cooling. And it'll run on a 7.4 volt, that's a 2S battery. In fact, you get 2 of them, which is kind of nice, and they'll run for like 20 minutes. So you got 40 minutes of drive time with the 2 batteries. Now this little guy is fast. It goes up to 40 kilometers an hour. That's like 25 miles an hour. And it's pretty solid. So you get 2 different shells. You can go blue, you can go green, and to turn it on, you're supposed to remove the cotter pins. There are 4 of them. I hate the stupid cotter pin system. It's archaic, it's dumb, it doesn't make sense. There are easier ways to do this. But once you have that shell on, you can kind of actually reach in and press the button to turn it on, assuming that you've plugged in your battery. I'm going to pull the pins out, and we're going to swap out the battery because it looks like my battery is dead. Well, that means my son probably left it on. Not a surprise there. And you can see the inside. Little disconnect of the battery. We got a little lever here, which would have made sense for the top, but no, they put the dumb cotter pin on there. All right, so I'm going to put the new battery in. New battery in, battery holder down, twist it into place, plug the battery in. Let's go blue. We'll put the blue shell on. Then it's cotter pin time. All right, now I can peel up the shell to get access to that power button. All right, so now I got the light blinking. I'm gonna set it down, turn it on, wait till they link up. All right, and you can see we've got 4-wheel drive. We do, of course, have both a throttle trim and a steering trim. I do like the headlights. Steering wheel is exactly what you would imagine it to be. Pull for forward, push for reverse. Now you do get a whole bag of extra parts should you break something, but I don't think they include everything you need for a full replacement. You know, if you broke one of these solid axles, you're probably out of luck, and eventually things do break on these things. If you're driving 25 miles an hour straight into a curb, probably gonna break something, although actually I did that, it kind of popped up, so who knows. Either way, fun little car. It's about $70, a little less than $70 actually. So this is a decent entry level RC car. Now we do have a handful of other RC cars on the channel if you want to check those out. So driving this thing is an absolute blast. The 4-wheel drive works well. You can go over bumpy obstacles. You can drive over grass. And then if you get it on the pavement, it just flat out goes. I mean, this thing is fast, and it's a blast to drive around. Build little ramps for it, shoot it up in the air, go over obstacles. Just have some fun with this thing because it's a fun little toy. It's not going to break the bank. It's a good beginner RC car. That's what you're looking for. You can have some extra parts because when you crash it, you're going to have to fix some stuff. Check out the link if you want to check out the playlist of other things that we've driven. But yeah, fun little car. My son's going to love it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. Good luck, everyone, and happy driving. Whoops.